These amazing shiny chromed effects looks very cool on typography and logos. You just have to select a layer and the effect in Photoshop. From the Windows menu, open the Styles panel and start playing with the available options like I'm doing, until you find something that works for your project. Stack layers on top of each other for best results. Right-click on the layer and choose Scale Styles to access the most important option, which lets you control the size of the effects you're using. You can use these styles with everything. Here, I'm making an animated logo, and look how dope they are. You can get these styles for free, but consider making me a donation to support my work. Please comment, like, and share. Many thanks.